As queer people, we're often discriminated against, we're often ostracized and rejected by families and communities. And that leads to a lot of negative or harmful experiences. For example, poor mental health, people being homeless, living on the streets, and perhaps using drugs. So where Triangle Project comes in is that we have a research and advocacy program. We also have a community engagement and empowerment program, and we also have a health and support service program, which is where I do most of my work, is the health and support service. So as a social worker, I see survivors and victims of crime, gender-based violence. I also see people who are experiencing mental health crises. If we look at the youth, the mental health of the youth, if we look at unemployment, if we look at people being socially isolated, those are things that through our programs we're able to provide. We're able to provide people with something that they can learn, skills that they can take forward, that they can be self-sufficient, that they can be contributing to society, and that's what they want to do, you know. So people are keen to be active citizens.
These organizations are very vital to have, because as much as there are programs that are in place in certain sectors of the government, but it doesn't reach the broader spectrum of the community, because even with those programs within public sectors, but you find out there's still discrimination, there's still the homophobia, there's still name calling, there's still catcalling. So there is actually no transparency, there's no safety, there's no kindness within those spaces. So we do need these, and the work that we do, someone also say, but there's a desk wherever that is doing the same thing, but you'll find that if you check the stats, we still actually reach a broader community than those spaces that are meant for the community. So it's important to have them. The numbers have tripled from the number of people that we were seeing, and on a daily basis we are getting new intakes, we are seeing more people. Psychosocial support is so much more needed now, and people don't understand. They always see Cape Town as very gay friendly, but the homophobia is also as rife within Cape Town as well, within disadvantaged areas, within the outer parts of Cape Town, the outer skirts, the winelands, the Overberg, and all of those other places. It is still quite hectic in those spaces.